Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for light sweet crude oil for Thursday, August the 27th. Well, a change of character for this market today, and we can see from the size of the body compared to the previous body that there's quite a change of character. Also the colour of the body. 2 days ago we had a very large red body candle which was very bearish. Yesterday we had a very small body candle, or a no-bodied candle, which was a day of a lot of indecision for this market. Today we've got a fairly large green-bodied candle, which means that the bulls have made some strong net progress on the day from open to close. Now, just looking at where the market's opened, it's opened in the mid-range and closed at the high. And that means that the bulls have taken control of this market, and they're showing some commitment to forcing this market higher. Now, the market, interestingly, is also closed up above the previous high, and that's quite bullish for this market as well. The sellers attempted to take control of this market by pushing the market down to the low and past the previous low as well, but they weren't strong enough to close the market down there. They tried to control the market. They showed some sort of commitment, but they lost the commitment that they had when pushing the market down towards those the lows of the day, and certainly a long way past the previous low. So what we've had today is a very strong battle between the bulls and the bears, and that's why these type of days in bar chart terms, it's called an outside day. They're very indecisive as well, because you have the bulls at one stage showing a lot of commitment to forcing the market higher. You're showing the bears having a lot of commitment to forcing the market lower, and in the end the bulls have won the battle for the day. So quite an indecisive day because of the configuration of the highs and the lows. The close tells us though that the bulls are in the ascendancy. Now, we still don't have a change of trend though, so we need confirmation of a change of trend. Because we don't have a higher high and a higher low, we have a higher high but a lower low. And a change of trend will be, to the upside, will be a higher high and a higher low from the previous downtrend. Now, the market also found support at the Tenkan Sen, and we know that when the Tenkan Sen turns flat like this, that it can tend to act as support in the market. It's traded down through there just slightly, and the buyers have come back in and bought the market back. And that coincided roughly with the $70 level. It was actually at $70.11. So for this market, that $70 level has become very important. Also, we had potential support down at the Kijun Sen, which is at 68.85. The market didn't trade down to there. There still is a possibility that it could trade down to there, and if it does, we need to look to that level for support. But there's quite a bit of bullishness in the market. We should be looking for the high of the current candle to be taken out for very strong potential for this market to trade back up to this $75 level. $75 is a very big number for this market at the moment. We've had very strong downside price rejection there, from there, and probably over the next day or so we should see the market trade up to there. For the market to trade much higher than that, we'd like to see a very strong bullish close up above that, and that still is quite a possibility. So we're trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, which means that the market has a positive bias, and we're trading up above the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen, which means that the market is bullish. Just looking at the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen though, they are flat, and that's reflecting not a lot of direction in the market at the moment. So, but we know that when the market is directionless, that the market will eventually have direction. The market will move from equilibrium to disequilibrium. And previously, at this level here, around 75, there was a lot of disequilibrium at the time, and the market pulled back to this equilibrium level. So what we'll be looking for is a trending move from this area, and we will most likely see that to the upside and retest this $75 level.